This is the 1-minute reading tutor. If you have a word ending in AR, or you have AR plus another consonant together in a word, then AR says R, like tar and barn. If you have one or two R's and the next sound is a vowel, then the AR does not have to say R. So this word is carry. This word is divided into syllables. Usually at the end of a syllable, we try the long sound first, so we say daring. If you have WAR or WAR plus another consonant, then the AR says or, like war, warn, warm, and wharf. For more short and full-length videos about teaching your children to read, please subscribe to my channel.